Welcome to today's tutorial, CAD Studio. Right, so we only want to look at how to make broken lines in Autocad, Autodesk, or Autocad Mechanical. It's the same procedure. So the first thing we need to do first is I realize that once you click a line and then you click and then you drag, it becomes a continuous line. I want to make it broken lines. What we do is that we type LA, enter. Once we have this box over here, we now move to this guy which says new layer, and then we left click on it, and then we have a new layer. Let's give it a name like broken lines. Once that we have the name broken lines over there, what we do is that we now move on to continuous, and then we click on it. So once you are done, we then press H on the keyboard, and then once you have the hidden, we click on load, and then we select the first one, ISO dash, or any other one depending on the work you want to do, and then OK. Once you are done, OK once more. So you then close this guy and then come down to the layers panel over here, click on the drop down and then select broken lines. Now select your line and then draw from left all the way to right, and then we have our broken line stated right here. At the end of the day, we also want to look at how to increase and decrease the spacing or the scale of our broken lines. That gives us a shortcut known as LTS. Enter. And once you are done, just now to enter a new line type scale factor. So let's give a value more or less like 2 or 5. Enter. So at the end we see less lines and then equal large spacing between them. So this is how we can go into creating broken lines in Autocad. If you want to switch back to a continuous line, because once you are in this mode, every other line you draw becomes a broken line, right? So if you want to switch back to it, let's go back to the layers panel, click the drop down and then click on 0. So every other line drawn from here goes back to being a continuous line. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe and share to a brother or sister who may need it.